Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really cool to share with you all. I've managed to get a mod menu up and running on Call of Duty Mobile. It includes some insane features like Aimbot, God mode, and unlimited CP, all of which I've already enabled. You can see right here that it's working perfectly because I've got a ton of resources stacked up. This is something that works on both iOS and Android devices, and the best part? It's super easy to set up. You don't need to mess around with jailbreaking or any complicated stuff. I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step in this video. Make sure you watch each part of the video because I'll be going over everything in detail. If you follow along with me, you'll have these awesome features activated in no time. If you are ready, let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for COD Mobile and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.